Well, we're about 4 weeks into the maple syrup production season. Today is a pretty good day for sap flow. I just went out and picked up 275 gallons before I was able to even get to my last 2 barrels. Reverse osmosis is running real well this year. Got a 5-stage RO system. Right now I'm getting about 37% concentrate off of my sap. So I'm pulling 63% of the water out. I've got a new addition to my evaporator system. This is my evaporator setup. Got the RO system pumping directly into the evaporator pan. Got a new addition to my evaporator this year. I added a 200 CFM inline fan. It's got a 4-inch port. I pipe it in through a 3-inch pipe that runs through the bottom of the arch into the firebox. Got a pretty good boil going so far. The roar of the fire is even louder than the fan, so it's quite an improvement over what I had last year. I'm getting roughly 8 gallons an hour of boiling on this setup. Evaporation.